Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got a hot and humid day in store for us as we'll see those temperatures warming into the low to mid 90s by this afternoon. Combining that with the humidity, we're going to see heat index values between 100 and 105 degrees as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours. So certainly take some extra precautions if you do have some outdoor work in store for today, as it will be very, very warm and be a little unsafe if you don't have the proper precautions today as you're working outside. Tomorrow, similar conditions as well, so keep that in mind as we head into the end of the week. I want to look at our current surface analysis, and you can see high pressure off the southeast coast. That's what's providing us with the southwesterly flow that we've seen over the course of the last couple of days. We're going to continue to see that into tomorrow, so really no relief in sight for the end of the week. We will see some relief actually from the hurricane that has just hit the Gulf Coast, Hurricane Laura. Currently, as of the last advisory from the National Hurricane Center, has seen its winds decreasing to 85 miles per hour. But Laura is making its way well inland to Louisiana, so very impressive that it still contains the strength that it does as it tracks into the northern portions of Louisiana. Here it is on the satellite imagery, and you can see even as it had been over land for several hours, still looking very healthy this morning, and was certainly a rough evening last night as the hurricane made landfall close to Cameron, Louisiana, as a very strong Category 4 with maximum sustained winds of 150 miles per hour. So, very, very rough evening for the folks along the Louisiana coastline and portions of the Texas coastline last night as that storm made landfall. But as I mentioned, we are going to see some relief from Hurricane Laura as it does move up toward the central portions of the country and eventually brings some rainfall to us on Saturday and provides us with some cooler weather by the end of the weekend. We'll take a look at our visible satellite imagery this morning here. Not seeing much in the way of cloudiness whatsoever. Mostly clear skies under hazy conditions, though, as we do see that humidity really providing us with some hazy conditions this morning. Looking at the radar, not really anything showing up on there as far as precipitation, and we are expecting those conditions to continue throughout most of the day today until we get into the later evening hours, where we'll see a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms. I want to take a look here at our forecast model for today. As we go into the afternoon, you can see very little in the way of precipitation showing up on the model. Here we are at 6 p.m. this evening, and really not much in the way of thunderstorm activity at all, as the upper level energy remains fairly limited on this model here. This is our high resolution HER model. As we flip over to another one of our higher resolution models, you can see a little bit more activity showing up on here. This is 8 p.m. this evening, 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. seeing those showers and thunderstorm chances kind of continuing until midnight here at Wallops. So we are going to run about a 25% chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms this evening, but not expecting a widespread event for the peninsula. So taking a look here at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, you can see winds generally out of a westerly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, becoming northwesterly in direction up at the 25,000 foot level, where we see those winds increasing up to around 35 to 40 knots. Our freezing level was at 14,500 feet. So in the extended forecast, I want to take a look here at what we can expect. This is the European model. As those remnants of Hurricane Laura approach the Wallops area, we are going to see plenty of rainfall associated with those remnants as it comes through. It does look like the timing has sped up a little from what we've seen over the last couple of days. The European model was kind of hinting at this being more of a Saturday night, Sunday morning event, but it does look like it will mainly occur during the day on Saturday as we see those showers and thunderstorms move through the area. Models are indicating that most of the heavier rain activity should be south of Wallops, but it does look like we'll see a significant rain event from this system as it moves through. Also, some breezy conditions as well. We'll likely see winds top out around 25 to 30 miles per hour during the Saturday afternoon time frame, and then seeing that system quickly exit the coast Saturday night, providing us with pretty nice conditions on Sunday as we see the temperatures cool off quite a bit and we get some relief from the heat and humidity that we will see over the course of the next couple of days. As we go into the early part of next week, it looks like high pressure will hold on and really dominate the weather for Monday. And then Tuesday, we'll see another frontal boundary approach the Wallops area. It does look like it's going to have a hard time making it all the way to the coast. So our rain chances for Tuesday look a little lower today than what we were thinking yesterday. And then as we go into Wednesday, that will likely be when we see a better chance of seeing some of those showers and possible thunderstorms across the Wallops area. For the next 24 hours, our main hazard is going to be that heat and humidity that we're expecting through the late morning and afternoon hours. Heat index values up to around 100 to 105 degrees as we go into the afternoon today. Maximum high temperatures expected around 95 this afternoon. And then this evening, we'll be on the lookout for those possible showers and thunderstorms. About a 15% chance between the hours of 7 and 9 p.m., and then about a 25% chance after 9 p.m. will carry those chances until about midnight tonight. We'll see improving conditions for Friday as we wake up to partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies and another muggy day in store for Friday. We'll see a overnight low only getting down to around 78 degrees tonight. And then as you take a look here at your 7-day forecast, all the way up to 93 degrees. Once again on Friday, we'll likely see those heat index values approaching 100 degrees once again for Friday. Saturday, we'll see the showers and thunderstorms. It will still be fairly muggy out there with those showers and thunderstorms and a high in the upper 80s, and then some relief for the heat that we've seen over the next couple of days. We'll see cooler conditions in store for us for Sunday and into the first part of the next week. Not looking all that bad for the end of August, first part of September time frame, as we'll see highs on Sunday of 83, Monday 85 degrees, and then Tuesday and Wednesday we'll see temperatures maxing out in the low to mid 80s, and then introducing a slight chance of some showers by Tuesday, and then a little better chance on Wednesday, as we could see some embedded thunderstorms as well if that frontal boundary does provide us with enough energy to produce some of those showers by the middle portion of next week. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.